Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to claim your bonus on Bet365 step by step. Let's dive in. Step 1. First, create a Bet365 account by visiting their official website or using their mobile app. Enter your details and complete the registration. Step 2. Once your account is created, log in and go to the Offers section or check your notifications for any available bonuses. Step 3. Most Bet365 bonuses require a minimum deposit. Tap on Deposit, choose your payment method, and enter the required amount, usually around $10 or equivalent. Step 4. If a promo code is required, enter it during the deposit step. You'll see confirmation once the bonus is activated. Step 5. After depositing, your bonus funds or bet credits will be added automatically or once you place your first qualifying bet, depending on the terms. Important. Always check the bonus terms and conditions, including wagering requirements, eligible games, and expiration time. And that's it. You've successfully claimed your Bet365 bonus. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more simple guides. Thanks for watching.